So let's use the shell command. Alright, the faces to remove are what you shell. So if I want just the front open, I just select it. I also want to cut the back open too. In this particular example, I've got two flat and a flat cap on each end, so I can essentially shell them both. It becomes a tube. If I'd use the revolve to build with Audi instead of loft, if I had a round end cap, I could go cut it off later. So there's lots of different ways to build this thing. I select those two faces, hit show preview to make sure it works. You can run into problems with shells when you have fillets involved. Because you see that internal face, let's go ahead and bump this thickness up until it fails. Alright, it's reached a point where the interior fillet's gone away. How thick the wall is going to be on this. Probably won't even be able to build it. Oh, man, it did it. Wow. Okay. I didn't think it could. Let's go back and edit it. That's not what I want. I want it for the wall. Lost the preview. Shell outward real quick. You usually shell outward. Let's take this down to a small wall thickness. Okay, there we go. So there's the interior wall thickness, and the fillet's translated to the inside, which is what I want. So this wall thickness, I think I can live with. It's about the right proportion. Okay, it was important to shell later on once the handle was attached, because if you don't do that, then you'll be building the handle separately, and this will happen. They will not be shelled as one uniform part. You would have the handle grafted in, and you have solid material in here, it can be a mess. So be careful about the order that you build these parts in.